I'm Thomas Miata, and we are at Shenandoah Speedway, and we're about to drift. Stay tuned to the very end, because I got a little secret for you. I quit my job last year, and I think I figured out a way to make all this work. Drift, have fun, hang out with people, travel. Just do this dang thing, man. Live the drift life. Hashtag drift life, yo. And it's all thanks to, oh, you're gonna have to wait.
It's really cool that this many people would show up to an event January 2nd. So first and foremost, I gotta thank everybody and give everybody a round of applause because y'all are some bad motherfuckers. Thank you. Cold weather, all the different place out here. Thank you very much. Starting the year off with us. Now, this is gonna be a practice event. This is something where you're gonna warm up at. This is something where you're gonna learn at. You're gonna be able to interact with your friends, a little relaxed. Everybody wanna follow me to the track? I'm gonna show you how we're gonna.
Test run here in the Mustang as a passenger. Just feeling it out before I get in it. It feels very boaty so far compared to a Miata. Oh, she's slippery.
Yeah, she's slippery. It's fun, it's just that transition is just weird.
I'll give it a spin and we'll see what happens.
Oh yeah.
All right, shout out your Instagram.
It's JLester_Danger Zone.
Easy peasy. That's how you do it. You gotta take notes.
There you go.
Ooh, that transition.
There it is.
Get up the fucking bank. Okay, it's not too bad. Basically, you gotta steer the whole time. What's up? Shout out to Instagram.
Flacco, is that you?
Flacco, is that you? All right, cool. I remember that from the other day. This will be my third pass. It's going pretty good. Learning the car a little bit. It's definitely not as predictable as I would like. I think this thing would highly benefit from a welded kit. There goes Kevin now. Thank you, Kevin. What's up, Kevin? You having fun? That's a yes. What's up, Brandon? We got him in the background there.
Hey, what's up, everybody? How's it going?
We're just doing a little check-in. Just went out on a ride with him, giving him some pointers on how to link that transition. Yeah, buddy.
He's on YouTube.
Yeah. What's up, DJ?
Is that Thomas?
Yes, it is.
Flacco, is that you _FLOCK_is_that_you.
That's long as hell. You might have to work on that one.
At the man with no beef.
Right.
Yeah, just straight, nothing, no underscores or spaces.
Nice. Not again. For more power, I think.
Yes, that is what I want.
Yeah, you're out driving what your car has for balls at the moment.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Yeah.
I'm glad I'm doing the right thing.
Oh yeah. I wasn't even scared going towards the wall. Normally I would be.
Thank God. You want me to drop you off up there?
Yeah, right here by the Mustang.
Cool, I'll do that.
You did really good. I have no idea where we left off. We were just now talking about paying for drifting, and you were saying?
Yeah, I actually just bought a bunch of Bitcoin, and I've just been reselling it every time it goes up, taking $20 off the top, and I think I've made like 80 to like $110 just opening the app and taking cash out all day. And I still have my $1,000 in there that I invested with in the beginning. And I think I made maybe like $500 just hanging out.
Just peeling it off the top.
Yeah, just peeling it off the top.
Sweet. Well, we got a little drift in, we got a little Bitcoin. We can't beat that.
Heck
shit.
Yeah, dude.
You're already on it.
Yeah. And he wants to drive. I'm letting him drive. So if you want to drive too, you can drive it.
Stu, you're gonna let Stu wants to whip the Miata?
Absolutely, I do.
This thing feels pretty good. It's just underpowered, or
No, he knows how to drive it.
Feel like a Miata.
Awesome.
Is my point. You
Yes.
know? they have a certain feel to them.
Yeah.
And this one feels good.
That's good to hear.
I have been in ones that didn't feel good.
Hell yeah. This third gear is not gonna last much.
No, it sounds like it's not very happy.
That on repeat and OJ the station. That high blood pressure. Shake your money maker. Don't let that money maker. Shake that money maker. Don't let that money maker. Shake that money.
Are you gonna teach him how to DJ?
If you wanted to learn, I'll teach anybody.
Hell yeah.
Very good at it. Yeah, she's going good. Cars are working fine, no brakes so far.
I gotta give this man a huge shout out for having me out today. I'd rather be dabbing. Follow him on Instagram. He's about it. I don't know if you know. He brought 2 damn Mustangs out today. And he brought his tire machine. Get it, buddy. Stu's first ride in a Miata. Woo! Oh, he's learning, folks. He's learning. Let's go.
Yeah, I did not know that.
Stu's first Miata experience was, I would say, about a 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10 on that one. What's up, Jordan?
Doing pretty good so far.
Attempt number 2 for Stu. Get it, buddy. He's learning that Miatas don't even have enough power to move second gear. We're back in the car. We got Kevin driving the V6 Mustang.
Yes, sir.
We just, I just watched him spin this thing 2 or 3 times in one pass, so I don't feel so bad about it now. I was really struggling in this thing.
It's okay. I'll redeem myself a little bit.
All right, good stuff.
I'm so used to that FDF already.
I know.
That thing is so grippy.
It's nice to have the right shit. Get off the track. What's up, bro? What's up? Look, it's like film Inception and shit.
Joey Donut. O is a 0.
What are you shooting for? What's your Instagram? All the things. At Jonmir, JONMIR. Making my way out to the middle of this track. What's happening? Looks good. Shout it out. What's up, guys? We got Jason here. You know what's good.
I ain't saying shit. We just had a bomb-ass event. I ain't got nothing to say. I'm gonna let the media talk.
Today was awesome. Huge shout out to everybody that had me come out, including SwingSet and my man Jason back here. Where you going?
I'm hyped on the video. I don't mean to be like that, but I'm just hyped. I'm hyped. Thomas came out.
Hell
I'm
yeah.
hyped. Anybody does any media for us, I'm hyped. All the drivers. I'm still riding that high of like a 12-hour badass event. We started at like 7 in the morning. It was like 20 degrees, and we were worried because a lot of people hadn't showed up. And by 9 o'clock, then a lot of people started showing up when it finally started getting warm.
A bunch of people showed up today for
man.
sure.
God,
it was awesome.
Man, God, a
big
lot
turnout.
of great people. And the number one thing that happened, that's my favorite thing to say, and I'm just so happy to be able to say this and mean it, no wrecks. Not one wreck, nothing. I mean, we had a bumper come off and a few other things.
Maybe
no
some
wrecks.
cones.
No wrecks. That's my favorite aspect. That's my favorite event. So,
Hell
yeah, definitely.
Sick. I highly appreciate it.
Thank you, Martin. Thank you.
The track's awesome as always.
Thank you.
It's always a good time.
Yes, sir. No place like Shenandoah.
Yeah, I think it's only going to grow, guys. I mean,
man,
honestly.
I hope, man. I'm serious. We got a lot more events coming up in 2021. Just going to get a lot more consistent, getting a lot more people on the track. A little bit simpler, easier to understand. Just get out there and drive type deal.
Yeah, the clinic days seem to be a pretty good hit too.
Oh man, and 3 donut sections, so nobody's waiting. So we had 3 people doing donuts at one time. We were worried that system didn't work, and it took off like a rocket. We were very, very happy about that.
Oh yeah.
So I worry a lot before I set the events up. Don't mean to ramble, but I worry about like what people are going to say, how they're going to react, and so when I get done with an event and everybody liked it, I'm really happy. You know what I'm saying? I'm just really excited.
Yeah, you're using the track that you have here to train the future drifters here. I kind of was talking to some people. I started drifting in my early 20s, and now I'm in my early 30s, and it's like I'm watching a lot of these early 20 guys come in, and these are their first events, and this is the first event of the season.
I wouldn't trade the beginners for anything.
Oh yeah.
I would not trade them for anything. I don't care how good they are not. Send them to me.
You gotta foster them, prop them up, help them out.
I'd like to see them get good. They come to me and they say, well, hey, Jason, I'm going to go to this track now. I feel like I'm good enough. And that makes me feel good. I mean, it's like you watch them gain confidence through what they do. And, it feels good to be a part of that process. I'd rather help 10 beginners than 100 pros. You know what I'm saying? That's real. That's real.
Hell yeah. Well, it's the grassroots, man. That's like definition. You got to bring it from the grassroots.
Absolutely.
All right.
Absolutely, man. Thank you, Thomas. I appreciate it. Yeah. I love you, motherfucker. I got a Christmas present for you too.
Hell
for real.
Yeah,
you're gonna get it. Watch. You can put it on your YouTube channel too. Yeah. I don't care how messed up the video is. He got a badass Christmas present. I got Thomas a Christmas present. Y'all gonna die when y'all see this. Watch. Watch.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hilarious.
I'm ready.
All right.
Look at the lighting we got here, guys. We were using the cars.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, and the big secret, obviously, if you're paying attention in the video, was going to be Bitcoin and also other investments. Before I wanted to tell anybody kind of what was going on, I wanted to make sure it would actually work for me. I basically started investing many years ago, long term, about 10, 11 years ago in stocks, and then about 5, 6 years ago in Bitcoin. So you could say I got lucky, but put in small amounts of money a long time ago, let them sit, worked the whole time, and now my investments have grown large enough to where I'm comfortable quitting my job. So I quit last year, and I want to be able to do the entire year of 2021 without working full-time. I still do occasionally do contract work, so yes, technically I still work occasionally, but it's only a couple days a month, so it's not fully quit my job, fully retired, but we're getting there. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions about investing long-term or cryptocurrency, I can kind of point you in the right directions. I don't do this really full-time or whatever. I'm still learning too. So obviously just only put in what you're willing to risk, and obviously your results can vary. See you on the next one, guys. It'll be US Drift.